To find the URL of a Shopify store, you first need to understand what you are looking for. The primary domain is the main web address the merchant wants customers to see, and it usually ends in .com, .co, or a similar top-level domain. However, every Shopify store also has a permanent backend identifier known as the myshopify.com URL. This is the original address assigned by Shopify when the store was created, and it remains active even if the owner buys a custom domain. You can use this to verify that a website is actually powered by Shopify. The quickest method to find the Shopify URL is to view the page source of the store's website. Right-click anywhere on the home page that is not an image and select View Page Source from the menu. This will open a new tab filled with code. You do not need to understand this code. Simply press Ctrl and the F key on a Windows computer or Command and the F key on a Mac to open the Find tool. Type Shopify into the search bar and press Enter. Your browser will highlight a snippet of text that looks like storename.myshopify.com. This is the core Shopify URL you are looking for. A second method involves looking at the domain settings directly in the address bar, but this only works if the store is using the default domain. If you visit a Shopify store and see a full web address, you can sometimes strip it back. Try typing a random string of letters after the main domain followed by a slash, like the store URL /ASDF. If the store is on a basic Shopify plan and not hiding its origin, the browser may redirect you to the myshopify.com version of the site, revealing the true address instantly. You can also use third-party technology lookup tools if you prefer a graphical interface. Websites like BuiltWith or Wapalizer offer browser extensions. Once installed, you simply click the extension icon while visiting the store, and it will scan the technology stack. Look for the e-commerce platform section confirming Shopify. While these tools often show the technology, pasting the store's custom domain into a site like "Who is hosting this?" can sometimes directly extract and display the exact myshopify.com subdomain for you.